The origin of trading dates back to prehistoric times. It's been there ever since man started painting symbols on cave walls and realized that in exchange for a spare flint axe, he could get a brand new arrowhead. This is how it all started. Before modern currencies were invented, bartering was a common way to buy and sell goods. That is, to exchange them directly for the sake of a mutual benefit. Some 10,000 years before Christ, exchanging cacao leaves for shiny turquoise stones was just as common as selling your car today and buying a brand new one. Bartering, just like trading later on, was based on two main factors: products that were needed by others and negotiations between sellers and buyers to reach an understanding and to close the deal. Over time, some items like precious metals or barley grains became so easy to barter that they were used as long-term medium of exchange. This is how the first gold and silver coins emerged in different parts of the world, such as ancient Greece and Persia. As one of the first metals since recorded history, gold has been the symbol of wealth, beauty, and power. Gold has its inner value that remains independent of authorities or political regime. It is no wonder why until recent decades, international trading was largely based on gold, or why it has been widely used as a means of monetary exchange. Gold standards were established as early as the Byzantine Empire. In one form or another, gold trading standards remained in effect until 1971, when President Nixon ended the convertibility of US dollar to gold. Since then, all major currencies have been fiat currencies, which means that their values are not backed by gold and are free to change according to supply and demand. Ever since the first goods and objects were exchanged between people many thousands of years ago, trading has become a popular form of buying and selling, and even of making profits. Furthermore, today even trading money for money is possible. In 1971, the so-called foreign exchange market began to develop, and foreign currency exchange has become one of the most popular ways of trading. Just as with the oldest forms of trading, the buying and selling of one currency for another is done directly and with no interference from a third person. Moreover, you can even do it online at any time and from anywhere.